Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have Flutter ready. Start by opening the widget file and importing material. Create the button where it belongs. Use elevated button for modern styling. Once placed, apply the style parameter immediately. You can use elevated button. Style from for a simple override or assign a button style. Choose a clear color source, colors. Blue or color 0xFF1E88E5 because hex gives exact control. Make the change inline so you see effects faster, and avoid modifying theme until you confirm the button looks right. Now implement the core styling. Create a button style and set background color to material state property. Resolve with to handle pressed, hovered, disabled states. This lets you return different colors for each state, for example, a darker shade on pressed. Also set foreground color to ensure text contrasts with your background. Accessibility matters. Adjust padding and shape so the color area reads correctly, and prefer using color scheme or theme fallbacks when you want consistent design across multiple buttons. Finish by hot reloading and testing on both emulator and a real device. Verify in light and dark modes so your color remains legible. If you want the same look everywhere, move the button style into theme data and let widgets inherit it. Make sure to rebuild after theme changes. Troubleshooting tip: if your color isn't applied, check for parent theme or an older button class. Switch to elevated button. Style from or use material state property. Resolve with to override inherited styles, then hot restart if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.